Hello viewers, welcome back. In today's video, I will walk you through the technical specifications of Lenovo IdeaPad laptop. Let's get started. IdeaPad comes with 11th gen Intel i3 core processor with base speed of 3 GHz and maximum speed at 4.1 GHz. It consists of 2 cores and 6 MB cache. If we look at the operating system configuration, it's a preloaded Windows 11 Home Edition with lifetime validity. This is an OEM license that a manufacturer installs on the new devices. These type of licenses are not transferable to another devices. 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which can be upgraded up to 12 GB, and the hard disk is 256 GB solid state drive, that is SSD hard disk. The display is the second most important piece of the hardware in a good laptop. This laptop comes with 15.6 inches Full HD with anti-glare. Display for laptops and mobile devices are usually between 200 to 300 nits on an average, and this has 250 nits. Consists of two stereo speakers, 1.5 watts each, with HD and Dolby Audio. Comes with 3-cell battery with 45 watt hours, which can run up to 6 hours and capable of rapid charge up to 80% in 1 hour's time. If we take a look at the camera, it is a built-in camera with 720 pixels and fixed focus. It also comes with the privacy shutter, which is a good option nowadays. It consists of integrated dual array microphones too. In total, this has 3 USB ports. One USB is 2.0, another 2 USBs are 3.2 Gen 1, headphones, mic, combo jack, and HDMI 1.4B port, and also you get 4-in-1 media reader. In the box, you will be getting laptop, power adapter, user manual. Unfortunately, there is no backpack included. All Lenovo laptops comes with 2 years on-site manufacturing warranty until and unless it is not tampered. I would strongly suggest to opt for 2 years accidental damage protection pack. This package includes accidental drops, spills, electric surges and damages to the integrated LED screen. There is no hidden fees. You don't have to pay a single rupee in deductibles and fees for warranty services. And also please make a note of it, you have to activate this pack within 90 days from the date of purchase of your laptop to enjoy these benefits. Lenovo IdeaPad is priced at 39,990 rupees plus 1,901 rupee if you are opting for 2 years accidental damage protection. If you are planning to buy one, then the buying URL is in the description, which directly lands you to the laptop page. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was informative. If so, please do like, support and subscribe. Thanks for watching.